What's up, fam? It's your man T-Rock of Taz Boards holding it down. Check it out. This is going to be an unboxing video. I just purchased the Rockler Variable Speed 1224 Midi Lathe. I had the previous Rockler lathe, the Excelsior, and it just wasn't enough power for me. So, welcome to the unboxing. Without further ado, let me go ahead and get busy. Yeah, let's do it. I am a wood turning rookie, so any negative comments, keep them to yourself. I know, but unfortunately, we used to say in the hood, you got champagne wishes and 40-ounce money. And that's how it was with this. I had to go with the cheapest option for now, but trust me, this summer, maybe fall, I will be getting a floor model. I'm looking at one of the Laguna Evo lathes, so we'll see what's happening. All right, so cut the tape. I had to get it out of that other box. I'm gonna say something to you companies who ship your goods with styrofoam. Stop it. Please stop. There's nothing worse than having to sweep up a bunch of styrofoam that's floating around in your shop. God forbid if you're outside and it's windy, but it is a pain in the knee. I'm telling you, it's a pain in the knee. But anyway, here we go. Unboxing, cut the tape off. We have the knockout tool. We got the spur MT2 spur. Open it up. Shaking the tree, boss. Shaking the tree. Cool hand loop. For those that know, they know. All right, dilemma. All right, let's go this side. Friction fit, styrofoam. All right, so we've got the handy dandy Rockler warning: plastic bags can be dangerous. You guys better be careful with that. All seriousness, keep this from around your kids. Hate for something tragic to happen. But damn, now it's time to get nervous. This thing looks pretty good in the box. Let's see, take it off. Something proper like. Break them off. Real proper like. Look at this. The disappearing styrofoam. All right, so in the bag, we have a tool rest. So that's kind of cool. I believe that's what this is. Yeah, they give you a little handy dandy where you can put your tools. Yeah, I won't be needing that. Well, maybe I will. Okay, anyway, so it looks really, really nice and neat. So I bought this one because there were less expensive models out there, like the Comet by Nova, and then the Evo was very close as far as the price was concerned. I think it was a couple $100 more, and I could have rocked with it, but the reviews didn't make it seem like it was what I needed for what I wanted to do. So, and then there was the Jet, which was a couple $100 more too. I love Jet tools. I don't know if you guys can see in the background there, but there's my Jet drum sander. I've had that thing for 6, 7 years. Not a problem at all. I guess I should probably turn it on now. I'd probably jinx myself. But anyway, I love Jet tools, but I wanted to stay in about the $800 range. I actually got a discount on this from Rockler in Salem, New Hampshire, because I am a U.S. Air Force veteran. Boom, showed them that ID card. Boom, I got $110 off of my entire purchase today. So I bought some other stuff. Just don't tell my wife, for real. I thought I was slick when I bought it. Forgot the email was connected to our business account. The email went straight to both of us. She said, I see you bought a new lathe. Busted. Anyway, let's get this thing out the box. It's 80 pounds. Trust me, I do not have a problem lifting 80 pounds. But I'm going to call the whiz just in case. This looks like a 6-inch tool rest. Pretty good. Feels like it's cast iron on the top. The post is pretty solid as well. I'm going to set that to the side. Here are the tools that came with it. Okay, So we got some locking tools, and we have the feet, the rubber feet, which I will not be using. And then here is the M2 spur that I was referring to earlier. Won't be needing that either, but I'll keep it. Oh, they gave me a live center as well. So I've got the live center, the MT2 spur. Please don't drag me through the mud for that. I'm having a bad day. But anyway, so we got our tools. We got the lathe, we got my knockout tool. Boom. Tighten the knob up. The knob was loose. You guys, the knob was loose. I think I'm going to return it. Psych. All right, let's get this joker out the box and see what's happening. Y'all stay tuned. As soon as I get this thing lifted, I'm going to ask my wife to help me do this. As soon as I get this thing lifted up, I'll come back with some more video. All right, 1L. Okay, fam. Okay, fam, we're back. This is the Rockler variable speed 1224, as I said before. Pretty nice looking unit, seems very sturdy. Tool rest locks down pretty good. Here's the 6-inch tool rest that comes with it. Or, excuse me, yeah, this is probably a little bit bigger. I think this is like an 8-incher. Okay, fam, so I'm back. So I had to figure something out. As I mentioned, I'm a brand new wood turner, just a couple of years with one particular lathe, or the bulk of the time has been with one particular lathe. But I wasn't tracking that. In order to remove this, I saw the little set screws here. I was trying to, I was trying to remove it, and ta-da! So that's one wasted down the drain. Maybe I can call a Rockler and they'll give me another one, because I feel kind of like an idiot, but in the instruction they just said remove the faceplate. So the other Rockler lathe that I have does not have these set screws that locks this faceplate in place, but that's neither here nor there. I do have a spare that I've used, that I can use to get me through. So anyway, here we go. Gonna line this joke up, make sure we're squared up, dead center. It looks like it's off. Well, nope, there we go. Just need to lock it in. So we're good there. Forward, reverse, the whole shebang. Oh, what I wanted to mention is that, oh wow, look at that there. Let's see what we got going on here. This whole thing just popped off. I don't know what happened. Oh, it just wasn't tight. No. Did this? Just snapped right in half, fam. Look at that there. God bless America. I'm going to swap out with the other. Okay, so I would not recommend this lathe. It just snapped right off, fam. Look at that. Just snapped right off. Yeah, I'm a little ticked off right now. I drove 2 hours to pick this up, and this thing just snapped right off. Wow. Okay, Rockler, you're about to get a phone call.